Hey, tech lovers! Today, we're diving into the top 8 coolest gadgets you absolutely need to see. These are game changers you didn't even know you needed, until now. From futuristic designs to mind-bending functionality, trust me, you don't want to miss this. You can buy these gadgets from the link that our description below. Let's jump right in. 8. Meow Lab Phone Microscope. The Meow Lab Phone Microscope is an innovative and portable tool designed to bring the power of microscopy to everyday smartphones. Developed by the Meow Laboratory, this compact microscope attaches easily to a phone, transforming it into a high-resolution imaging device capable of observing tiny structures, from biological samples to material science specimens. By leveraging the phone's camera and advanced optics, the Meow Lab Phone Microscope allows users to magnify objects with exceptional clarity, offering a cost-effective and accessible solution for scientific research and education. The device is particularly beneficial for fieldwork or remote research settings, where traditional microscopes may be impractical. With an easy-to-use design and the ability to capture detailed images and videos, it opens up new possibilities for students, professionals, and researchers to conduct experiments and explore the microscopic world on the go. This portable microscope fosters greater accessibility to advanced scientific tools and knowledge. 7. iPhone 4S Wall Frame. The iPhone 4S wall frame is a unique and creative way to showcase an old iPhone 4S, turning it into a functional decorative piece for your home or office. This frame allows you to display the iPhone 4S in an elegant and modern way while preserving its iconic design. With the phone securely placed inside the frame, it can be transformed into a visual piece that highlights its vintage aesthetic. Whether you're showcasing nostalgic tech, using it as a digital photo frame, or repurposing the iPhone for other creative uses, the wall frame adds a touch of personality and technology to any room. The frame typically features a sleek, minimalist design that complements the iPhone 4S's original beauty, allowing it to be an interesting conversation starter. Perfect for those who want to give new life to old technology, the iPhone 4S wall frame serves as both art and a functional display. 6. iWalk LinkPod Portable Charger. The iWalk LinkPod Portable Charger is a compact, high-capacity power bank designed to provide on-the-go charging for smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. With its sleek and lightweight design, the LinkPod offers exceptional portability, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. It features a built-in cable, eliminating the need to carry extra cords, and can charge devices quickly and efficiently. The charger's advanced technology ensures safety with overcharge and overheat protection, providing peace of mind while charging. The iWalk LinkPod comes in various capacities, allowing users to select the right model based on their charging needs. Whether traveling, commuting, or simply out and about, the LinkPod ensures that users can keep their devices powered up and ready for use. Its user-friendly design and reliable performance make it a must-have accessory for anyone in need of portable power. 5. Low Free Flow. The Low Free Flow is a beautifully designed mechanical keyboard that combines retro aesthetics with modern functionality. Known for its distinctive round keycaps and satisfying typing experience, the Low Free Flow offers a unique, tactile feel that appeals to both typists and gamers alike. It features wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to easily switch between devices, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. The keyboard's compact and minimalist design makes it an excellent choice for those who want a stylish yet functional desk setup. With customizable RGB backlighting, users can personalize the lighting to suit their preferences or workspace ambience. Additionally, the Low Free Flow is equipped with durable switches that provide a clicky, responsive feedback, ideal for long typing sessions. Whether you're working, gaming, or simply enjoying a casual typing experience. 4. Stinger Tactical Pen. The Stinger Tactical Pen is a versatile and durable tool designed for both everyday carry and emergency situations. Crafted from high-quality materials such as aircraft-grade aluminum, this pen is built to withstand impact and offer reliability when needed most. While it functions as a regular pen for writing, it also doubles as a self-defense tool, featuring a pointed tip that can be used to break glass in emergencies or deter potential threats. The pen's sleek, compact design ensures it fits comfortably in a pocket or bag, making it discreet and easy to carry around. Its durability, combined with its multi-purpose features, makes the Stinger Tactical Pen a practical choice for those who value preparedness, security, and functionality in one compact item. Whether used for writing or in a critical situation, this pen offers a perfect balance of practicality and defense capabilities. 3. Lockbook. The Lockbook is a secure, privacy-focused notebook designed to protect your sensitive information. With its advanced locking mechanism, the Lockbook offers an extra layer of security by allowing only authorized users to access its contents. Whether for personal notes, business ideas, or confidential records, this notebook ensures that your thoughts remain private. The Lockbook typically features a durable cover, a discrete keypad or fingerprint scanner for unlocking, and high-quality paper for writing. Its sleek design combines practicality with a modern security system, making it ideal for professionals, students, or anyone who values confidentiality. In a world where privacy is increasingly important, the Lockbook provides peace of mind while allowing you to keep your important notes safe from unauthorized access. 2. X63 3-in-1 Charging Station. The X63 3-in-1 Charging Station is a versatile and efficient charging solution designed to streamline your tech setup. This station is capable of simultaneously charging multiple devices, including smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds, using a single compact platform. Its sleek and modern design helps reduce cable clutter, keeping your workspace neat and organized. The charging station typically includes wireless charging pads for compatible devices, along with specific charging slots for other gadgets, such as Apple Watch or AirPods. Equipped with fast charging capabilities, the X63 ensures your devices power up quickly and efficiently. Its built-in safety features, such as overcharge protection, safeguard your devices while charging. The X63 3-in-1 Charging Station is perfect for those with multiple gadgets, offering a convenient way to keep everything charged and ready to go, all from one location. It's an ideal addition to any home or office for a clutter-free, efficient charging experience. 1. Cell phone stand. A cell phone stand is a practical accessory designed to hold your smartphone in a stable and hands-free position. Perfect for watching videos, video calls, reading, or even multitasking, the stand provides a convenient way to use your phone without having to hold it. Available in various designs, materials, and sizes, cell phone stands can be adjustable, allowing users to customize the angle and height for optimal viewing. And that's a wrap on our countdown of the top 8 coolest gadgets you absolutely need to see. Which of these mind-blowing gadgets would you love to get your hands on? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gadget reviews and tech tips. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the coolest innovations out there.